What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. This channel, I want it to be about, you know, the experience I've had building my cars. Well, at the moment, car, because I only got one. But hopefully, you know, just hope to grow and to just keep on building. So just keep on building and to teach, to learn myself, and just all in all, just to have a good time. You know, just to share a build, because I haven't seen a channel that has, well, I have. I'm not gonna say I haven't, but not on this particular car. I haven't seen a channel that has this particular car that has build, like, kind of like step-by-steps, and like what I've done, what I'm doing, what I'm gonna do, or what I want to do. So nonetheless, let me show you guys the car. It's it already needs some work. Obviously, it's a project, it's a build. The lighting is bad real quick. I have already done stuff to it because a buddy of mine needed some parts off of it because he has a running one, and this is a build. So I'm like, you know what, you need the parts, you know, you take the parts, have them, I'll find my way later. And here we are now. Before I got into it, I was like, let me start my YouTube channel, let me just do something. So nonetheless, here it is. It's a 96 Honda Civic sedan. I haven't seen a build about a sedan yet. It's got black housing lights, but there's some trash, those are going. A lip, really dirty carbon fiber, but this is just paint. It's not real, it's not carbon fiber. That's going. I'm sorry if you hear a lot of wind. I don't have a mic yet, but this is the work that I've did to it. So a buddy of mine needed a trailing arm, so I went ahead and just gave him my whole setup, my whole trailing arm, my whole suspension, what do you call it, right here, lower control arm. But I did keep the camera kits. I should have gave them to him, but I didn't want to take the other side out, so I just left it because these are kind of like garbage right now. It's getting everything new. That's the work so far that I've done to it. I haven't done anything yet. Let me show you the other side. Show you guys the inside. It's a kind of basically fully stock car. It's got its, you know, things here and there. I do have the new pieces, the new trailing arms, and these headers. A guy's supposed to come pick them up, but I don't know if he's gonna or not. But I'm not gonna need them anyways. To me, they're garbage. You know, somebody else, they could come pick it up if they want. But yeah, it's the Civic. It's just the Civic. Let me try the famous missing tab for Civics. I gotta play around with it because the latch is broken. That dude scared the shit out of me. So
Bruh.
Put that right here. So it's just a little single cam. It's nothing much to it. Just a single cam. It's a D16Y8. Yeah, D16Y8. It does have a Skunk 2 gear cam gear. Strut bar. That's about it. But a little feedback in this car. It used to be on airbags, so the whole like chassis is customized to be on airbags. I'll show you the trunk in a bit. So it's like the chassis is cut from the wheel wells and raised up so you could go lower, which is pretty dope because I want to slam the hell out of it. But you know, step by step, that's the way we're gonna go. The reason why I'm not gonna use headers is because I want to go turbo. I've never seen the turbo. I've heard about them, I've seen them on YouTube, but I've never like seen it in person. I've never experienced it, so I'm like, let me build one. And I'm not gonna go like internals and stuff like that. I'm just gonna slap the turbo. If it holds, it holds. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You know, if you break it, you fix it, right? But this engine, the state that it's on right now, it needs a head, because the head, it has a bent valve. So if you turn it on, all you're gonna hear is just knocking, just clack, 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 clack. But you know, I'm gonna get the head. I'm gonna just do things little by little. I just want to show you guys the car. I want to show you guys the project first before, you know, I hop into actually working on it. I have some things on the way at the moment as we speak. But yeah, I mean, it's a Civic. It's a Civic build. It's not much. It's not impressive, but I just want to share this with you guys because I haven't seen much sedans being built, you know. So I just want to share. I know a lot of people out there have sedans, and a lot of people out there, you know, they just love seeing builds. Like me, I type in like S2000 build or Miata build or whatever build, you know. I just type in that. I just like to see what people have done to their car. So I'm just making a whole channel about it. But let me show you the trunk real quick. Let me show you what I'm talking about, how the chassis is raised up so you can go lower. Well, let me show you on the engine bay first because, you know, I'm already here. But you see how all of this is just steel, it's just reinforced steel. It's raised up higher. For the upper control arm, it's raised up higher. You know, same on the other side. And it's cool because they kept the same spots for the suspension, because otherwise you wouldn't have suspension, you know. But let me show you guys the trunk real quick. And I think it's pretty cool. I think the trunk is pretty cool. But I do need to remove some stuff because it's just useless. Alright, so let me show you here. You see how the wheel well is raised up enough so the wheel could, enough so you could just slam the hell out of this thing. That's it. It's got a reinforced custom rear sway bar. No, not sway bar. Traction bar. This turbo is off of an Audi A4. That's heavy as hell. I don't really want to get that out, but it's off of A4. That's the other side of the wheel well. And the cool thing about this is that because, you know, the wheel is going to be in the wheel well, they had to remove the gas neck, if the fuel neck, I guess, where you fill up the gas, and they moved it to the trunk. So instead of filling up normal, you fill up, instead of filling up normal here, you gotta pop the trunk and do it here. I think it's dope. You know, this is the frame where the compressor was, I suppose. I didn't see it when it was on bags. I didn't see it when it was on bags. I got it how it is now. Nope, not now because the whole trailing arm is gone. But I got it stock basically. And I'm gonna go from there. So yeah guys, that was the car. You know, I hope you guys like my content. You guys, you know, enjoy me as a person. But, you know, if not, that's cool. It's whatever. But the main focus is on the car itself. That's it. That's all I want to focus on. You know, I will be going to car meets. You know, unfortunately I missed H2O just recently. I missed Honda Day. I've been out of the game kinda, but you know, I'm getting back into it, and I want to, you know, bring whoever wants to come along on this journey, and just to see my build, just to see my progress, and just to see the car from where it's at now to where it could be. I got a lot of work ahead of me, but you know, I'm up for the challenge. I'm up for it. I've always wanted to do this. And you know, I finally had my opportunity. I got a car that I really like, that I really want to pursue on doing something with it, and to me it's pretty cool, you know. But yeah, that was the car. I hope you guys would be interested enough to, you know, just keep on, you know, coming along with me. I'll try to post at least twice a week, or if not once a week. I'll try to do it either Monday or Friday or in the middle of the week. Honestly, it's gonna be kind of random, but my main focus is to do it kind of weekly. What the fuck is that? And to, you know, just keep getting parts for the car, keep doing stuff. Like I said, I do have the trailing arm. I have two. One bolt is broken inside of the thread, and I gotta like drill it out, and I gotta do a lot of work. But I will be recording the work in the process of, you know, getting the car back on the ground and getting it rolling again. But I will be doing, you know, I'm gonna go all out with the car. Just to sum it up on words, I'm gonna go all out in the car. I'm gonna do interior, exterior, possibly wide body. You know, that's something I really wanted to do. I'm just gonna do whatever I wanted to do to the car, because I'm building it for me. I'm building it for my specific likings. You know, if I want to put a big ass wing on it, I'm gonna put a big ass wing on it. If I want to put a body kit, I want to put a body kit. I'm not gonna, but you know, what I want to do is what I'm gonna do. And you know, obviously I'm gonna be asking you guys of your opinion, you know, on color wises, on, you know, possibly different kind of lips, different kind of, you know, like headlights and stuff like that, steering wheel, stuff like that, right? And my Instagram is down below. I will be putting it. Go follow it. I'll be posting a lot about the car. I'll be posting polls on, you know, what is better, you know, what you guys prefer to see and stuff like that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking this long. I know it's probably like a long video, but thank you guys so much. You know, I'll be back next week with something new, possibly fixing that trailing arm, getting it back to the ground. But yeah, thank you guys. This is gonna be my channel. This is gonna be what it's about. It's gonna be about that Civic over there. I'm, you know, currently not with the car, but it's gonna be about the Civic, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Keep on building. Peace.